Assalamu alaikum. All GSM friend. Today more subject Samsung A037F binary U5 EFS file 100% trusted. This new version upload file does download now. Again second Samsung A037F binary U5 KNOX of ROM MDM 100% trusted. Now the download WhatsApp start now. Second Samsung A042F binary for KNOX of MDM 100% trusted. This my use this file and next your Google show my YouTube channel. Second A042F binary 5 100% trusted file and A035F binary 4. At first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. YouTube description no link. Just check comment box check. Bus any your file need. No tension. At first your mobile any browser open. This browser open Google. Okay. Just try. This right Borsha mobile. This right Borsha mobile. Just one click. Okay. And blogger side this one click. This mouse. And second stuff. And big many file and very confused. Where my file you are file need? No problem. Your file need at first is search blogger. This is right now A035F. Just zero. Just search this mouse. Just click now. Okay. This file and one click. Okay. And file download. 100% trusted file. Okay, confirm. This my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment. Last moment is mobile is working and comment now. This YouTube channel. I hope my promise, my business is honest. No problem, no confuse. My file tested. Okay, goodbye. All GSM pen. Next time you chat WhatsApp and email. This WhatsApp number, this number WhatsApp, this email number. Clear? Goodbye.